Hello friends, is your cruise control stuck on, or is it refusing to turn off? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0577, it means there's a high input issue in the cruise control circuit. This could be caused by a stuck switch, faulty wiring, or even a deeper issue in the ECU. So where's the problem? Let's find the exact sensor location and fix this issue. The P0577 code stands for Cruise Control Input Circuit High. Your vehicle's cruise control system works by sending electrical signals from the steering wheel buttons, brake pedal switch, and throttle sensors. If the circuit gets stuck at a high voltage, the ECU disables the cruise control for safety. Common symptoms of P0577. Cruise control won't turn off even after pressing the cancel button. Cruise control doesn't respond to button presses. Check engine light, CL, is on. Cruise control indicator flashing or staying on constantly. Brake lights may not work properly. If you're experiencing any of these, let's locate the affected sensor. To diagnose P0577, check these key components. Cruise control switch. Location, on the steering wheel or turn signal stalk. This switch controls cruise activation and canceling. A stuck button can cause a high signal. Brake pedal position switch. Location, above the brake pedal, under the dashboard. If the switch is faulty, it may send the wrong signals to the ECU, keeping cruise control active. Throttle position sensor, TPS. Location, on the throttle body, near the intake manifold. If the TPS isn't working properly, the ECU may misinterpret throttle input, affecting cruise control. Clock spring, inside steering wheel. Location, behind the steering wheel, inside the steering column. A damaged clock spring can cause cruise control buttons to send the wrong signals. ECU, engine control unit. Location, usually in the engine bay or under the dashboard. The ECU processes all cruise control inputs and can shut it down if it detects an issue. Wiring harness and fuses. Location, under the dashboard and around the engine bay fuse box. Loose or corroded wiring can cause high voltage signals, triggering P0577. Common causes of P0577 stuck cruise control button. If the on or set button is jammed, it may keep sending a high signal. Faulty brake pedal position switch. A defective switch can fail to disengage cruise control. Defective clock spring. A broken wire inside the steering wheel can send incorrect cruise control signals. Short circuit in wiring. Damaged or corroded wiring can cause the cruise control circuit to remain stuck at high voltage. Faulty throttle position sensor, TPS. If it's sending incorrect throttle data, the ECU may disable cruise control. Blown fuse or relay. A fuse in the cruise control circuit may be damaged. How to fix P0577. Step 1. Scan for additional codes with an obd2 scanner. If other codes appear, fix them first. Step 2. Check the cruise control switch. If the buttons are stuck or unresponsive, replace the switch. Step 3. Inspect the brake pedal switch under the dashboard. Replace it if it's faulty. Step 4. Check the clock spring inside the steering column. Replace if broken. Step 5. Inspect all wiring and connectors for corrosion or short circuits. Step 6. Test and replace any blown fuses or relays related to cruise control. Step 7. Reset the ECU and test the cruise control system after repairs. Ignoring P0577 can cause unintended acceleration issues and make driving unsafe. Fixing it early will restore your cruise control and improve vehicle safety. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0400, exhaust gas recirculation EGR, flow malfunction P0401, insufficient EGR flow detected. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.